In this video, you'll learn how to change your name on Wecasa. This process will help you update your preferred name accurately. Begin by logging into your Wecasa account. Ensure that you have your login credentials ready, as you will need them to access your dashboard. Once you are successfully logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard of Wecasa. Next, locate the profile icon or your name in the top right corner of the dashboard. This area typically represents your account settings. Click on this icon or name to reveal a drop-down menu containing several options. After that, from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Profile. This action will take you to your profile page where you can view your account information and make necessary adjustments. Once your profile page loads, look for the Modify button located next to your details. Clicking this button will allow you to edit your name fields. It is essential to ensure that you are on the correct profile page before proceeding. Now, you will see fields for your first name and last name. Edit these fields with your new name as desired. Take a moment to confirm that the spelling and format are correct, as this information will be displayed on your profile. Scroll down the page to find the Save or Update button. After making the necessary changes to your name, click this button to apply the updates. It is important to wait for a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been saved successfully. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.